I'm Jenny Davis, Head of Marketing here at Forest Garden, and I'm really proud to show you today our new range of Beckwood shiplap pressure treated sheds. At Forest, we love sheds. We are the shed experts. We've been in the market for over 50 years and we've made over 2 million sheds. Beckwood sheds are British sheds for a British climate. These sheds are not just about storing your average garden spade. From bikes to camping gear to outdoor gear to anything you really want to keep the rain off. Beckwood sheds, we are confident will do the job. What's more, Beckwood sheds are completely maintenance free. Annual preservative treatment is never needed. Most other sheds on the market require immediate treatment and then yearly treatment thereafter. You will not need to do this with a Beckwood shed. Beckwood sheds are fully modular, which means you can choose the window and door placement to suit your garden. So if you wanted the windows on the front of the shed, you could. If you wanted the door on the side of the shed, you could. You could swap that panel with that panel. Same size panels are completely and fully interchangeable. It's up to you, whatever suits your garden. With modular panels, there's more timber with the framing around each panel, increasing overall shed strength. There's 30% more timber in this shed than most other sheds. Right, let's go inside. The interlocking solid tongue and groove floor is strong and stable and is standard on all models. It's much stronger than standard OSB that you get in most sheds. The shed has hidden security hinges that cannot be unscrewed from the outside. The lock is a secure, heavy-duty pad bolt. These doors are really robust with double Z framing, which gives real strength and stability and prevents door movement. The windows are glazed acrylic, which is much more secure than traditional glass, as you can't just smash them. The other thing is they won't go yellow or brittle over time. This is high quality, durable felt roofing. It's strong polypropylene backed weatherproof mineral felt. With such unique features, there's no reason not to buy a Beckwood shed from Forest. We are also incredibly proud at Forest Garden to be a carbon neutral British company using British sustainable timber on a British made shed, perfect for the British climate. Could you get any more British than that? I really hope you've enjoyed finding out more about our fabulous range of Beckwood sheds today. For more information, visit forestgarden.co.uk/Beckwood.